Hey and welcome to Beautiful Within. As you know, I love reviewing subscription boxes and I keep getting new subscription boxes every month. But what happens to the products that come with it? Mostly, if I've used them, I give you a small review or I use them in my favorites. But this time I thought that I would collate all the subscription box products and give you a mini review of it. Do tell me if you like this kind of a series, if you want me to do it every month, or this is the only time that you want me to do it. Just a quick disclaimer on this. I would not be talking about prices or anything of that sort in these videos. For that, I'll link my subscription box unboxing videos. You can go there and watch it. And mostly I would not be reviewing perfumes, etc. Those kind of things, because I mostly love perfumes, all kinds. So let's get started without further ado. Starting with the Envy Box products, the first thing that I have here is the Votre Deep Cleaning Mask. This is a mask that was having cucumber extracts and peach and of course neem to an extent. I have used it a couple of times this month after it arrived. This, I don't know whether it is giving me very deep cleaning kind of an effect or not, but it definitely gives you a very soothing effect on the skin because of cucumber, and also it what shall I say, evens out your skin. So like if you have any skin irregularities, it evens out. I don't know how much of deep cleaning and clearing it does, but definitely skin evening out, this is the product to go to. So a thumbs up from my side for the Votre mask. The second one was the O3 aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, as we all know, are very much in these days. We have used Patanjali, we have used Khadi. This time we have used O3 aloe derma also. I found it really good. The product and the formulation is very good. Can be used on hair, skin, eyes also. Like I at times use it as an under eye cream as well. I would say that you know, for the price that they are charging, even Khadi or Patanjali give me equal results, or even naturally fresh cut aloe vera gives me equal kind of results. Nothing special in it, but of course a good aloe vera gel to try. Now comes a very unique product that they had sent, which was the Hera perfume. Now Hera hair perfume, that's why I'm reviewing it, because it's a hair perfume. Now I used it just after shampooing my hair about twice or thrice whenever I was going out. I used it in office, I used it when I was getting ready for my birthday. The perfume first of all lingers at least for 24 hours. So if you're not comfortable with it, do not wear it because it's going to stay in your hair for 24 hours even the next day. But the perfume, because it's oud scent for me, it was a really mesmerizing kind of a scent for me, and it was suitable for most occasions, so that's why I could use it. Thumbs up to this product also. Then comes a very surprise kind of a product. This was the Bodygraphy primer. For all oily skin girls, this clear primer works really well for our skin. So I actually used it on my birthday, and this gives such a flawless finish, and you don't really feel that, you know, you're wearing a kind of a primer on your skin, because it's very clear gel like kind of a formula, and the makeup literally sticks on the face. Like I was out for 3-4 hours and the makeup did not budge even a little bit. It's a very good primer, I must say. Now I guess I have the Fabbag products. From the Fabbag, I don't have too many products, because Fabbag had a shea butter which I actually gave to my sister, and Skin Yoga I've not tried yet. So instead I'll be reviewing the Neemly coffee scrub. Skin Yoga coffee scrub would be very much similar, I'm assuming. So the first product from the Fabbag was the Be a Bombshell eyeshadow crayon. Now the shade that I got was the Boss, which was a coppery shade. This is a very good everyday wear kind of a shade. So every day, if you want to have, you know, a no makeup kind of a look, if you put it on the eye, it gives a hint of a color to your eye, but it does not, you know, pops out. So which is why I like it, and thankfully it is very easy for application also. So everyday application, this is great. Now instead of Skin Yoga, I am reviewing Neemly Naturals, which I got in Sugar Box. They both are the same things, and I dropped the Be a Bombshell crayon. So coffee scrub, I must say, from any brand you can try, please do try a coffee scrub, because you have to try it to believe it. Your skin feels as smooth as butter after using this coffee scrub. I don't know why, I don't know how. Maybe coffee is that good for health. Our grandmothers will really write. but it works wonders for the skin. I mean, I have very dry skin. I have pretty dry skin, and on my body, not on my face. My face is oily, of course, but it works really real wonders. Like I use it as a scrub twice a week. It's not a very heavy scrub any which ways for the body, and it'll make your skin very smooth. Then comes, I guess, the MSM box product. That's all I have from Fabback, by the way. And there were 2 perfume samples, which anyways I like. I don't have anything to say on that. Coming to the MSM box products, there is the Chronocare shampoo and conditioner duo in the shade Lavender, Provincial Lavender. Now, I have really loved it, both the shampoo and the conditioner. I was using it this month. It is making my hair a little dry, so it will not become a holy grail for me. But if you use the shampoo and conditioner together, it works well. I would not say it's really out of the world. Like, I find the Chronocare lip balm out of the world. Also, the body lotions are really nice. But these ones, they were just fine. The fragrance is great. The texture is good. It's somehow making my hair a little more dry. Anyways, they're very dry, so like we can't really comment much on it. But as a shampoo and conditioner duo, good but not holy grail worthy is what I'll say. Next comes a product which I really loved. So this is the Herbal Me hair oil. Now it has, if you can see, it has roots also in it. Roots and some bit of seeds and everything in it. It's quite herbal. And I have been using it this month. As you can see, this much of it is already gone. I loved it. I will definitely purchase a full bottle of this soon, because it has made my hair super smooth. Like hair like me getting super smooth, you have to basically leave it overnight and then wash your hair the next day. Super smooth hair. I mean, most of my hair problems are gone because of this hair oil, and I can feel it is because of the hair oil and not because of the shampoo. Is because after I apply shampoo, my hair actually become very dry despite the hair oil. So which is why I guess the hair oil is working wonders and not the shampoo. Then there was the Rust Deep Shine oil, which is a basic cuticle oil for making your hair eliminate frizz. This is also a good product, like works whatever it says. It eliminates my frizz. So you have to just, you know, just like Livon or any other serum, you have to just apply it on your hair. Just that it's a little natural, not absolutely similar formulation to Livon. It's really nice, but I might not purchase a second bottle for it, because mostly aloe vera gel or something of that sort also gives the same benefit. So I might not purchase full bottle, but definitely good to try, like a good try. Then there was an Essence Kajal pencil which I got, which I anyways like who doesn't like Kajal pencils? Essence Kajal pencils anyways I've tried before. They are good. They're good. But nothing special for me. Then there was Maybelline Lip Express, which I got in Lady Gaga. I'm wearing it in the video also. It's a very nice lip liner. If you put just a one stroke of it, it can work like a nude lip liner for most of the lipsticks. Or else you can wear it just like, you know, a lip liner, a lip color on your lips. It works well there as well. I have been wearing it as an everyday lip color to office as well. It's a really good one, like easily usable, I would say. And the last thing was Peter Thomas Roth Mega Rich Conditioner. I've used this conditioner thrice or 4 times, I guess. At times I wash my hair only with conditioner, so that is the time I used it. It's good, but again, nothing really special. Like it does its work as a conditioner, but nothing as special that I would, you know, search for the full bottle. How much is it costing or something of that sort. So these were my mini reviews. Whatever I do not have, maybe I've not reviewed, maybe I've not used, or maybe I've given it to a family member or a friend. So this was my review of all the products that I used in the subscription boxes this month. Hopefully you had a great experience with the subscription boxes this month as well, whatever you subscribed for. And you liked watching this video. If you liked watching this video, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, thank you very much for watching. Bye.